Saturday, spend the day with me. It's 8:45 right now. I'm heading to get my hair stuff and I'm gonna go cut my pap's hair. Burr, we're here. This is a definite one. We need one more tree. We like these two. Also like those two green ones. Make sure this one's full on the back. Just came to the bathroom and look what they have in here. Tension table with wipes and all diaper sizes. Mom of 5, I really appreciate that. Need some lights for my tree and a few other. All I have left is 3 boxes, so I guess we'll make that do.